Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Disney Plus running slow, taking a long time to open, or feeling delayed when you scroll through your watch list? Here are the fastest phone fixes. First, go to your settings, then go to General. After that, go to iPhone Storage and check the storage bar at the top. Since Disney Plus slows down noticeably when storage is nearly full and it does not have room to load thumbnails and content smoothly. Offload a few unused apps to free room quickly. Next, close every other app in your recent app list since Disney Plus competes with your background apps for available memory while browsing and streaming. Go to your settings, then scroll down to display and brightness and lower your brightness level and turn off low power mode if it's on. Since it throttles performance directly and causes sluggish scrolling and load times, finally restart your iPhone completely. Hold the side button and the volume down button. Slide to power off. Wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. A full restart clears temporary memory buildup and is the most effective fix for persistent slowdown. So, all you've got to do is free up storage, close background apps, turn off low power mode, and restart your iPhone. Disney runs smoothly again, and that's it. Subscribe.